Hello everyone, let's begin with a book that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge for class 5 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin with a new chapter that is chapter number 24, Music Instruments. Now in this chapter, certain music instruments are played by certain personalities, for example Pandit Ravi Shankar, Zakir Hussain, etc. And you are going to write the names of the respective music instruments for which they play. So the chapter begins with name these musical instruments played by these famous personalities with the help of the help desk. Fill in the blanks with the correct one word substitution. So let's begin with it. So the first blank is dash Pandit Ravi Shankar and the answer for this is sitar. Next we have Zakir Hussain and the answer is tabla. Then Hari Prasad Chaurasia and the answer for this is flute. Then the next is Ustad Amjad Ali Khan and the answer is sarod. Next is Daya Shankar and he is related to Shehnai. Next is Vishnu Govind Jog and he is related to violin. Then we have S. Balachandar and he is related to which instrument? Veena. Then we have Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma and he is related to santoor. The next one is Zubeen Mehta. Zubeen Mehta is related to symphony. SYMPHONY, symphony. Then the next person is Anayampati S. Ganeshan and he is related to the musical instrument called as Jal Tarang. Next, that is the second last one, Gopal Das and he is related to saxophone. Last is Pandit Randhir Roy and he is related to the musical instrument known as Esraj. So this was all about the various famous musicians along with their musical instruments. Let's now read your answer please. And this says that which is your favorite musical instrument? So children, you have to write your favorite musical instrument over here in the book itself. Next is the quick fact. The quick fact says that iktara is a single stringed musical instrument. इकतारा उसका नाम ही इंडिकेट करता है कि एक ऐसा म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जिसमें सिर्फ एक स्ट्रिंग है यानी कि एक ही तार है. एक तार इकतारा, which is used in kirtans and by sadhus. So and iktara is used by who? They are used by sadhus and it is used in kirtans. So this was all about the chapter. I hope you must have understood the chapter very well. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video and take care and goodbye.